Welcome to another Exness tutorial video. Today we are going to show you the tools available for trading with MetaTrader 5 for Android. To begin, let's start with the Quotes tab, which is displayed by default upon startup. The Quotes tab shows the list of instruments for you to trade with. You can add more by tapping the plus icon to display instrument groups. Then tap the group in the instrument and it will be added to your Quotes tab. To remove instruments, click the pencil icon, then the bin icon. Select the instruments you would like to remove and then the bin icon one more time to finalize. From this selection screen you can change the order shown by holding and moving the chosen instrument up or down. Tap back to return to the Quotes tab once done. Tapping on an instrument will bring up the following options. New order, which can be used to open a trade. Chart, which navigates to the Charts tab. Properties, which detail the contract specifications of the instrument. Market Statistics presents a breakdown of pricing information. Simple View Mode can be toggled with Advanced View Mode, the latter of which details more about the instrument in the Quotes tab. Next, let's explore the Chart tab. When you first open this tab, a default instrument may appear with its graph. Some of the options you have in the Chart tab include: the crosshair is used to pinpoint pricing on the chart easier. Indicators provide an opportunity to add pre-installed indicators to your chart. Symbol can be used to change the instrument displayed. Window can be used to show multiple instruments with the Chart tab at once. New order opens a trade, and comes with options to change order type, lot size, stop loss, take profit, and deviation. Some options may depend on the order type selected. Tapping anywhere in the Chart tab also presents options for the time frame, and all previously mentioned features, as well as settings to customize what you see. The Trade tab is where all your trading accounts activity is presented. The Sorting option lets you organize your open trades by specific criteria, with the new order option just beside it. Tapping any open trade will expand its details, while holding down on it will present options for closing, modifying and opening new trades with this instrument. With these trading areas and tools explored, you are ready to use MetaTrader 5 for Android to trade. Thank you for choosing Exness.